You open up Rocket Money and see a transaction for groceries, but it's been categorized as eating out. Hamburgers sound familiar? It happens to the best of us. Rocket Money's algorithms are smart, but they're not perfect, and sometimes a transaction just gets put in the wrong category. The good news? It's incredibly easy to fix. First things first, let's open up the app and head over to the Transactions tab. It's usually a tab at the bottom of the screen. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all your recent spending. This is where the magic happens. Now, find that transaction you need to fix. Let's stick with our example, that grocery store trip that got labeled as eating out. Tap on the transaction itself. When you open it, you'll see a bunch of details, including the date, the amount, and a description. Right below the description, you'll see the current category. It'll probably say something like eating out. Tap on that category name. A new screen will pop up with a list of all your available categories. You can scroll through these, or if you know what you're looking for, use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Since we're fixing a grocery transaction, we'll search for groceries. Tap on the correct category, and voila! You'll see the category for that transaction has been instantly updated. Easy peasy. Now, what if you have a bunch of transactions from the same place that are always miscategorized? Let's say every time you go to your local coffee shop, Rocket Money puts it under shopping instead of coffee. You don't want to manually fix this every time, right? This is where custom rules come in. To set up a rule, go back to that transaction, tap on the category, and then look for the option to create a rule. Rocket Money will ask you to set up some criteria. For our coffee shop example, we'll tell the app to look for the coffee shop's name in the transaction description. You can also specify an amount range if you want to be more precise. Then, you'll set the action, tell Rocket Money to automatically change the category to coffee whenever it sees that merchant name. Now, every time you buy coffee from that spot, the app will automatically categorize it correctly for you. This is a huge time saver and makes your budgeting even more accurate. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.